The Philippine National Police, or PNP, is now assessing what case to file against those people who spread fake news about the abducted child in Taguig City last week. According to PNP Public Information Office Chief Police Colonel Randolph Tuaño, they have the lead of those who spread false information. The PNP now disproves the information that the family will give 2 million pesos ransom for those who know the location of their child while the investigation is still ongoing. This misinformation affects the child's family as well as the ongoing operations. To recall, the PNP have rescued the child in Parañaque last Tuesday. The pogo and online business of the family of the victim are the possible motives of this abduction.
Kinukonsulta po ni Direktor ng ECG kung ano po ang pwedeng ikaso doon sa mga nagpakalat ng fake news. Na-identify naman po nila kung sino-sino yung mga yun. Kinukonsider po natin ito na fake news sapagkat yung mga detalye na mga nireport po nila nung mga unang araw nung mawala po yung bata ay malayo po sa katotohanan na nangyayari na kasalukuyan ay patuloy na iniimbestigahan ng AKG.